In this video, I'm going to be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator coupon code no matter what Hostgator web hosting plan you choose. You'll get a Hostgator discount on the Hostgator shared hosting plans, Hostgator cloud hosting, Hostgator WordPress hosting, Hostgator VPS hosting plans, and more. You'll get a Hostgator discount by using our exclusive Hostgator promo code at checkout with the link. You'll get up to 65% off plus a free domain name on annual plans or a domain discount for non-annual plans. You'll actually receive an additional discount than you see being listed here, which I'll cover in this video. To get your Hostgator coupon code discount of up to 65% off, click the link below in the description and you just need to enter the Hostgator promo code CUPID60 at checkout to save even more money. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Now let me go over the Hostgator web hosting plans, going over the discount with the before and after comparison. For this tutorial, I'll be going over the most popular Hostgator shared hosting plans, but the steps are the same with any of the other plans. Once you click the Get Started button, you'll be on the Hostgator shared hosting plans page. You'll see the Hatchling, Baby, and Business plan. Once you choose a plan, you can enter the Hostgator coupon code on the next page. To do so, scroll down and replace the Hostgator promo code that is there with CUPID60. Here's the before and after of the Hostgator Hatchling plan. You'll see you can get web hosting for as low as $271 a month depending on the term you go with. Next up is the Hostgator Baby plan. You'll see you'll get Hostgator hosting for as low as $343 a month depending on the term you go with. Next is the Hostgator Business plan. You'll get Hostgator hosting for as low as $516 a month depending on the term you go with. For all the annual plans such as the 12 months, 24 months, and 36-month terms, you'll get a free domain name. With the non-annual terms such as the 1 month, 3 month, or 6 month terms, you get a domain name discount. Enjoy your Hostgator promo code discount to get up to 65% off Hostgator web hosting, plus a free domain name on annual plan. Thanks for watching, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more hosting tutorial videos. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.